What if I told you that the next blockbuster comic series, the next viral webtoon, the next Marvel-level franchise might not come from a big studio but from you, using nothing but artificial intelligence? We are standing at the edge of an entertainment revolution. For decades, comic books and graphic storytelling were gate-kept by large publishers, expensive art teams, and years of tedious manual work. But that wall, it just crumbled. With the right tools, you can create stunning panels, unforgettable characters, and page-turning stories without even knowing how to draw. And here's the game changer. These AI-generated comics and webtoons can be monetized, scaled, and turned into a passive income stream that pays you while you sleep. So today, we're diving deep into how to make money with AI-generated comic books and webtoons. What tools you need, where to publish, how to stand out in a sea of creators, and how to transform these digital stories into a profitable brand. AI tools for comic book art and storytelling. At the heart of this revolution are tools like Midjourney, DALLE3, and Stable Diffusion. These platforms allow you to generate jaw-dropping illustrations in any art style imaginable, from classic manga aesthetics to hyper-realistic graphic novel panels. No drawing tablets, no years of sketching, just prompts. You start with an idea. Cyberpunk detective chasing a rogue AI in neon-lit Tokyo. Feed that into Midjourney. Refine the style, cel-shaded comic panels, vibrant colors, moody noir atmosphere. Within minutes, you've got the visual base of an entire scene. But visuals are only one half of the equation. The storytelling is where the magic happens. This is where tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper become your co-writer. These AI models help you craft compelling plot arcs, dialogue, and character bios. You can ask them to generate a 12-chapter story outline for a fantasy webtoon, create snappy, emotional dialogue that brings your characters to life, suggest unexpected plot twists that keep readers glued. And for creators who want panel layouts and speech bubbles done automatically, tools like Storyboarder, Comic Draw, or Canva's Comic Maker templates are becoming integrated with AI assistants. The combination: you've just eliminated 80% of the technical barriers to making comics. The explosion of webtoon platforms. Platforms like Webtoon, Tapas, and Global Comics have millions of active readers hungry for fresh stories. Webtoon alone hit over 85 million monthly users worldwide as of 2024. That's an audience bigger than Netflix subscribers in some regions. You don't need a publisher's approval. You upload your series directly, build a fan base, and once you hit certain thresholds, you can join their ad revenue share programs, open Patreon-like tipping systems, and secure sponsorship deals. Here's a simple example. A creator with 50,000 weekly readers on Webtoon can earn ad revenue, merchandise sales, and even get licensing offers for their stories to be adapted into anime or TV series. In fact, Webtoon announced partnerships with major studios like Crunchyroll and Netflix to source IP from their platform. That means your AI-generated series could become the next animated blockbuster. The indie publishing route. But maybe you want more control. That's where Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or even NFT comic marketplaces come in. With KDP, you can self-publish digital comics or graphic novels. Amazon handles distribution, and you keep up to 70% of the royalties. With Gumroad, or Ko-Fi, you can directly sell PDF versions of your comics. And if you want to play in the Web3 world, NFT marketplaces like OpenSea allow creators to mint exclusive limited edition comics with built-in royalties every time those NFTs are resold. The NFT comic market is growing quietly. In 2023, NFT-based comic projects like Punk's Comic sold millions of dollars in issues. And unlike physical comics, you don't need inventory. It's all digital, all automated. From hobby to income stream. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most people start AI-generated comics as a passion project. But what happens next surprises them. If you consistently publish chapters and use social media to promote, TikTok and Instagram Reels showcasing panels perform insanely well, you start to grow a dedicated audience. It's not crazy to say that with the right concept, consistent release schedule, and marketing, an AI-generated comic series can generate anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month in under a year. And the ceiling? Far higher if you hit viral traction. The secret sauce: consistency. You might be wondering, but won't everyone start doing this? Here's the truth. Ideas are everywhere. Execution is rare. AI gives everyone the same tools. But your voice, your story, and your persistence are what build a fan base. If you can release one chapter a week, keep improving, and engage with your readers, platforms will reward you by recommending your series to millions of users, turning AI comics into a full-fledged brand. The secret to moving from just another creator to profitable comic entrepreneur lies in one word: ecosystem. A single AI-generated series can become the anchor for a multi-income stream ecosystem. Digital series. Monetization. Your main comic or webtoon becomes your flagship product. Physical merchandising. Fans fall in love with characters. Premium subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi allow you to offer early chapters, behind-the-scenes content, or exclusive bonus arcs for a monthly fee. Licensing and IP deals. Companies are actively looking for unique IP to adapt into animation, film, or games. There are already creators who've been contacted by Netflix, Crunchyroll, and Webtoon studios because of their online success. This is not a dream scenario. It's happening right now. The marketing machine that runs while you sleep. Now let's talk visibility. Creating a masterpiece means nothing if nobody sees it. But here's where AI steps in again. Use AI-powered social media scheduling tools like Metricool, Later, or Buffer to automatically post character teasers on Instagram and TikTok, panel time lapses, or story clips on YouTube Shorts, chapter release countdowns on Twitter. AI caption writers and hashtag generators ensure your posts get discovered. This means you spend your time creating, not stuck in social media admin work. Advanced monetization. Building an audience funnel. Professional creators know the key is to turn readers into superfans. Collect emails using a free chapter giveaway on your own website. Create AI-generated world guides or bonus stories and sell them as digital extras. Offer exclusive NFTs tied to limited edition content. Future-proofing. Why this trend is exploding. This trend is not slowing down. Research from PwC and Statista predicts the global digital comic market will hit $7 billion by 2028. Combine that with the exponential growth of generative AI tools, and the barrier to entry drops even further. So here's the big takeaway. AI has removed the gatekeepers. The only thing standing between you and a successful comic or webtoon career is the decision to start. Whether it's Midjourney for your art, ChatGPT for your scripts, or platforms like Webtoon and KDP for your publishing, the tools are in your hands. Start small, be consistent, use AI as your co-creator, and who knows, your AI-generated series could be the next big IP, the next $1 million story, the next universe fans can't get enough of. We release videos every week at MoneyMatic Masters, helping you turn automation, AI, and creativity into unstoppable income streams. Don't just consume stories, create them, and profit from them.